I had no intention of doing this, but what the hell. So I bought this supertracker tracking system. I've had to order a new base unit because, as you can see, water has got inside and destroyed the motherboard there. Base unit was 50 quid. I've pulled the hard drive out, so I can swap the hard drives over and hopefully it should work up straight away. I've bought the same computer, so it shouldn't be too many problems. Now, these are the tracking gauges. I'll show you what one looks like when it's put together. So that's obviously assembled as it should be, and I just thought I'd do this video on how to change the batteries to them, because there's nothing online, so maybe somebody will find it interesting, maybe nobody will care, but here you go. So on mine particularly, there's this piece of plastic over the top and these two bits of metal screwed either side. So you have two screws in the top here, that removes that plate. You have another plate the other side, yet again two screws, undo those, that removes that side. This part is actually pot riveted on. I worked out I could just pull it over the little rivet top and just press it back on, it'll be fine. Then there's two more screws in the top here, which unscrews this panel, which then gives you access to the circuit board on the back here. Now you can see I've already unplugged it, the power wires are there. I undid those two screws because the battery, which is obviously here, I will show you. So this is the battery in mine. I would assume they're very similar, you know, 9.6 volts, 2.7 amp hours. It says change at, but it's not really legible, so whatever. But that's the battery, and it slots down inside the tube here. So I had to take the charging board off there, and then just slide that down to slide it out. But that's how you get to the battery. So just two screws there, pop a piece of plastic off. You could drill the rivets out if you really want to. Two screws in the top here, pull that off, two screws in that board, slide the battery out. And the battery's basically just sort of sat inside here. And obviously this is your two charging points down here for it, because you've got charging points in the base, which are powered up there, and the same under this one. So there you go. I am now going to go on to the interwebs and try and find two new batteries. Thanks for watching, hope you found it interesting. Catch you on the next one.